Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping deliberately. Brush with a non-abrasive paste, rinse, and lightly dry so gel bonds better. Once done, fit the tray with a small bead of gel, about 0.5 to 1. 5 ml per side, press gently to spread. Make sure to remove excess that might contact gums. You'll feel slight pressure as the tray seats, hold steady and check a small mirror. If you see gel on soft tissue, wipe it off immediately. This first application sets the tone for safe whitening. Once the tray is in, keep to the kit's recommended time, typically 10 to 60 minutes, and set a timer. You should check for sensitivity after 5 to 10 minutes. If you feel sharp discomfort, remove the tray and rinse. Make sure to breathe through your nose and avoid talking to minimize slippage. If using activated light, position it as instructed and don't press. You'll notice gradual whitening during the session. Make sure trays stay flush, and don't let excess gel pool at the gum line. You finish by removing the tray, spitting, and rinsing thoroughly. Then clean the tray with cool water and gently floss to remove trapped gel. Once done, apply a desensitizing gel or toothpaste if you have mild sensitivity. This soothes nerves and reduces discomfort. Make sure to avoid staining foods for 24-48 hours. If you experience burning, blisters, or severe pain, stop immediately and contact a dental professional. Meanwhile, rinse with water and avoid reapplying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.